Being able to tell a good story can separate you from the masses and make your art stand out. There are many tips and tricks that help elevate your stories, but I want to speak about a topic that is in the absolute basics: composition. Composition refers to the way a photographer arranges the visual elements, including the subject and objects in a photo, in order to convey a particular emotion or message in a picture. Here are rules that I personally love and follow when I'm rendering or taking any photo. Rules of third: divide your frame into a 3x3 grid and position key subjects along these lines or their intersections to create balance and interest. Leading lines: use natural lines such as roads or fences to guide the viewer's eyes towards the main subject. Depth: use depth of field to show the viewers who they should be looking at in that moment. Fill the frame: get close to your subject, making sure he, she, or it takes up a big portion of the frame. This removes other distractions from the viewer's eyes and makes them focus on that one thing. Negative space: use negative space around your subject or empty space around your subject to emphasize it and also create a minimalistic aesthetic. Then diagonals: use it to introduce dynamism and lead the viewer's eyes through the image and can also create a good balance in your image. Rule of odds: featuring an odd number of subjects can create a more engaging and natural composition. Contrast and color: add contrasting colors and tone to make the subject stand out and add visual interest. Also remember, you can combine all these rules any way you like, so I'll go out there and experiment and make amazing shots. That's all for this video, and I hope to see you all in the next one.